Question 1. The number of radial nodes present in 3p orbital is A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. The correct answer is B. 1. Question 2. The correct increasing order of ionic radii is A. O superscript 2 F na Mg superscript 2, B. Mg superscript 2 na F O superscript 2, C. Na Mg superscript 2 F O superscript 2, D. F O superscript 2 na Mg superscript 2. The correct answer is B. Mg superscript 2 na F O superscript 2. Question 3. The value of equilibrium constant Kc for a reaction is 10. The value of delta G degree at 298 K is approximately. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 4. Which of the following complexes is diamagnetic? A. Fe, HO, superscript 2. B. Fe, Cn. C. CoF, superscript 3. D. Ni, HO, superscript 2. The correct answer is B. Fe, Cn. Question 5. The correct order of acidic strength is A. Phenol acetic acid HCO HCl, B. HCl HCO acetic acid phenol, C. Acetic acid phenol HCO HCl, D. Phenol HCO acetic acid HCl. The correct answer is A. Phenol acetic acid HCO HCl. Question 6. The number of sigma bonds in benzene molecule is A. 9, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. The correct answer is B. 12. Question 7. Which of the following statements about SN1 reaction is correct? A. Rate depends on nucleophile. B. Carbocation formation is rate determining. C. Occurs in non-polar solvents. D. Gives inversion only. The correct answer is B. Carbocation formation is rate determining. Question 8. The pH of a buffer containing equal concentration of weak acid and its salt is A. pKa, B. pKilobite, C. 7, D. 14. The correct answer is A. pKa. Question 9. The bond order of O ion is ACE 1, B. 1.5, C. 2, D. 2.5. The correct answer is D. 2.5. Question 10. Which of the following will show C-estran's isomerism? A. But 1 Na, B. But 2 Na, C. 2-methylpropene, D. Propene. The correct answer is B. But 2 Na. Question 11. The rate constant of a reaction becomes double when temperature changes from 300 K to 310 K. The activation energy is closest to. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 12. Which of the following has maximum lattice energy? A. NaCl, B. KCl, C. MgO, D. CaO. The correct answer is C. MgO. Question 13. The coordination number of Ni in Ni-Co is A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. The correct answer is B. 4. Question 14. The hybridization of central atom in XCF is A. sp, B. sp superscript 2, C. sp superscript 3, D. dsp superscript 3. The correct answer is A. sp. Question 15. Which reagent converts aldehyde directly into primary alcohol? A. KMNO, B. NaBH, C. Tollens reagent, D. Fehling's solution. The correct answer is B. NaBH. Question 16. The number of moles of electrons required to reduce 1 mole of CrO superscript 2 to Cr superscript 3 is A. 3, B. 6, C. 9, D. 12. The correct answer is B. 6. Question 17. The correct order of boiling points is A. HFHONH, B. NHHFHO, C. HOHFNH, D. HFNHHO. The correct answer is C. HOHFNH. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of disproportionation reaction? A. Cl plus HO HCl plus HOCl, B. Zn plus CuSO ZnSO plus Cu, C. H plus Cl to H close, D. CaCO CaO plus Co. The correct answer is A. Cl plus HO HCl plus HOCl. Question 19. The order of reaction is 0 if the plot of concentration versus time is A. Linear, B. Exponential, C. Parabolic, D. Hyperbolic. The correct answer is A. Linear. Question 20. Which of the following molecules is paramagnetic? A. N, B. O, C. Co, D. No. The correct answer is B. O. Question 21. The major product formed when propene reacts with HBr in presence of peroxide is A. 1-bromopropane, B. 2-bromopropane, C. Propyl bromide, D. Isopropyl bromide. The correct answer is A. 1-bromopropane. Question 22. The standard enthalpy of formation of an element in its most stable state is A. Positive, B. Negative, C. 0, D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. 0. Question 23. The total number of atoms present in one unit cell of FCC lattice is A2, B4, C6, D8. The correct answer is B4. Question 24. Which of the following compounds will not give aldol condensation? A. Acetaldehyde, B. propionaldehyde, C. Formaldehyde, D. Acetone. The correct answer is C. Formaldehyde. Question 25. The correct increasing order of basic strength is A. NH, CH, NH, CH, NB, NH, CH, NCH, CH, NH, C. NH, CH, N, CH, NH, D. CH, N, CH, NH. The correct answer is B. NH, CH, NCH, NH. Question 26. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? A. Glucose, B. Fructose, C. Sucrose, D. Lactose. The correct answer is C. Sucrose. Question 27. The spin-only magnetic moment of phase superscript 3, d, ion is approximately A. 1.73 bm, B. 3.87 bm, C. 4.90 bm, D. 5.92 bm. The correct answer is D. 5.92 bm. Question 28. The major product of nitration of toluene is A. O-nitrotoluene, B. M-nitrotoluene, C. P-nitrotoluene, D. O and P-nitrotoluene. The correct answer is D. O and P-nitrotoluene. Question 29. Which of the following will show optical isomerism? A. To butanol, B. Ethanol, C. Propanone, D. Ethanol. The correct answer is A. To butanol. Question 30. The coordination geometry of PT, NH, Cl is A. Tetrahedral, B. Octahedral, C. Square planar, D. Linear. The correct answer is C. Square planar. Question 31. Which of the following is strongest oxidizing agent? A. F, B. Cl, C. Br, D. I. The correct answer is A. F. Question 32. The correct order of bond angle is A. NH-HOCH, B. CH-NH-HO, C. HO-NH-CH, D. NH-CH-HO. The correct answer is B. CH-NH-HO. Question 33. The number of optical isomers possible for tartaric acid is A2, B3, C4, D6. The correct answer is B3. Question 34. The unit of rate constant for a second-order reaction is A. S superscript 1. B. Mol L superscript 1 S superscript 1. C. L mol superscript 1 S superscript 1. D. Mol superscript 2 L superscript 2 S superscript 1. The correct answer is C. L mol superscript 1 S superscript 1. Question 35. Which of the following gases deviates most from ideal behavior? A. H. B. N. C. CO. D. He. The correct answer is C. CO. Question 36. The reagent used to distinguish between aldehyde and ketone is A. Benedict's solution. B. Toland's reagent. C. Fehling's solution. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question 37. Which compound undergoes Cannizzaro reaction? A. Acetaldehyde. B. Formaldehyde. C. Acetone. D. Ethanol. The correct answer is B. Formaldehyde. Question 38. The shape of if molecule is A. Octahedral. B. Pentagonal bipyramidal. C. Trigonal bipyramidal. D. Square pyramidal. The correct answer is B. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Question 39. The oxidation number of Mn in KMNO is A. +5. B. +6. C. +7. D. +4. The correct answer is C. +7. Question 40. Which of the following is an example of chelating ligand? A. NH. B. HO and CN. D. Cl. The correct answer is Cn. Question 41. The major product obtained when phenol reacts with bromine water is A. Obromophenol. B. Bibromophenol. C. 2,4,6-tribromophenyl. D. Bromobenzene. The correct answer is C. 2,4,6-tribromophenyl. Question 42. The correct order of thermal stability of alkali metal carbonates is A. LiCo-NaCo-Keco. B. Keco-NaCo-LiCo. C. NaCo-LiCo-Keco. D. LiCo-Keco-NaCo. The correct answer is A. LiCo-NaCo-Keco. Question 43. The compound responsible for hardness of water is A. NaCl. B. CaSO. C. NaCO. D. KCl. The correct answer is B. CaSO. Question 44. Which of the following is a biodegradable detergent? A. Alkyl benzene sulfonate. B. Branched chain detergent. C. Linear alkyl benzene sulfonate. D. Soapless detergent. The correct answer is C. Linear alkyl benzene sulfonate. Question 45. The percentage of nitrogen in urea is approximately A. 23%, B. 33%, C. 46%, D. 60%. The correct answer is C. 46%. Question 46. Which of the following polymers is formed by condensation polymerization? A. Polythene, B. PVC, C. Nylon 6,6, D. Teflon. The correct answer is C. Nylon 6,6. Question 47. The correct order of reducing power of halide ions is A. FClBrI, B. IBrClF, C. ClBrIF, D. BrIClF. The correct answer is B. IBrClF. Question 48. Which of the following is a non-electrolyte? A. NaCl, B. HCl, C. Glucose, D. KOH. The correct answer is C. Glucose. Question 49. The hybridization of carbon atoms in benzene is A. sp, B. sp superscript 2, C. sp superscript 3, D. dsp superscript 2. The correct answer is B. sp superscript 2. Question 50. Which of the following is most basic in aqueous solution? A. NH, B. CHNH, C. CHNH, D. CHN. The correct answer is C. CHNH. Consider the following expression: A5, B6, C7, D8. The correct answer is A5. Question 52. Which of the following does not show hydrogen bonding? A. HF, B. NH, C. HOAD-CH. The correct answer is D. CH. Question 53. The correct order of increasing electronegativity is A. NOFe, B. ONF, C. FONAD, NFO. The correct answer is A. NOF.